Hello again, and welcome to the Badjr. Today I will go through how to connect two different sites together using our Site VPN. If we go to a client that has multiple sites, you'll see here that James Car Sales has 7 different sites. Now we want to allow all of those different sites to connect back to the main head office. If we go to the dashboard of that client, you'll see here PTA is your main site, and we want all of these different sites to connect back to the main site. What we do is we go to Site VPNs, and this is how we configure those VPNs. If I click on configure, before I click on configure VPNs, you see the arrows here. They indicate how those VPNs are connecting and in which direction. So for example, James-Cloud is connecting to James Cloud 2, and the connection is initiating from this site to this site. And likewise, this site is connecting to this site and is initiated from here. The word along the line describes what type of site, what type of VPN that is being used. If I click configure VPNs, this is your grid of how those are connecting and in which direction. So for instance, on the left hand side, that is your initiating connection, and on the top column, each column will be your destination. So if I go from Joburg and I want to go to main, then I follow along from here to here and I select that option. You'll see immediately that from Joburg, from main to Joburg will not be selectable because it's already connected up in the other direction. So Site VPN can only connect in one direction. And if you want to turn it around and connect it in the opposite direction, for instance, I want main to connect to Joburg, I have to disable this one, and I can go from main to Joburg this way. The drop down below that is the option for which type of VPN I want to use. WireGuard is quite stable, we find, depending on the ISP that you're using. Some might be blocking L2TP connections, but you do have the option of different types of connections here. And like I said before, if we want everything to connect to main, what we will do is disable all of these, and I want all branches to connect back to the main site. Obviously main can't connect to itself. And here we are. And you'll see here, you cannot have two Site VPNs connecting to each other that have the same local range. All of your different sites that you're connecting together need to have a different local LAN IP range. And now you can see all of the sites are connecting to the main site. And that is that. Thank you for watching.